Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'll teach you how you can integrate your CRM, the Zoho CRM, using Elementor Form through Integrately. Integrately is a tool that works like Zapier, Zoho Flow, or Microsoft Power Automate. Now it's called Microsoft Flow, and it lets you find applications and integrate them with other applications. And in this case, I'm gonna teach you how to integrate your Elementor Form with Zoho CRM. So the first step is to create an Integrately account. This is completely free. You can use your email address, and from there, you'll be able to find all the automations that are available. So here I'm clicking on New Automation. So first, you find Elementor, and then you can type CRM, and then you see all this other CRMs that you can integrate Elementor with. And this one we're going to show with Zoho CRM. And you just need 2 steps, because as soon as someone submits a form, it's going to become a lead on CRM. And I'll show you how I did this on my other automations. So here I have this flow, which means that everyone that fills out this form, let me pull it up so you can see. So this is the form that I'm working with. And here I'm going to do a test. I'm going to type with a K, with a Z, and here I'm going to use my personal email address, my phone number, click on next. I'm going to say that I'm interested in farm and crop, commercial and auto, and click this is a test. And then when I click on get a quote, I'm going to be redirected to a thank you page. There you go. And here, if I go to the flow, I'm going to go to my automations. I'm going to check history, and I can see the submission I have just did, and it takes my first name, last name, phone, email, my mobile phone. I type in the client because my CRM, I manage a lot of clients, and the lead source, this is a test, auto commercial farm crop. Well, it says Facebook ads because I would only use this URL for Facebook ads, so that's why you see that information here. And the ad name is get a quote because that's what we had our campaign configured with. And if I go to CRM and I refresh my screen, you see that there was an email alert configured as well. And here I can see the lead falling into CRM. I have just opened this lead in CRM, and you can see all the information that I've typed is here. Lead name, phone, email, lead source, the details, which was the message that I've typed, and the ad name. I have all the information here. Okay, and now I'm going to show you how I did this. So when you click on New Automation, you're going to type Elementor. And then you're going to click CRM. So after this step, you just go to the second one, because this we're going to create a contact, but you want to create a lead. So you're going to go to module, because that's going to let you choose the module that you're going to use. And in this case, we're going to use leads. So the first thing that it does, it sets you up with a webhook URL. And on Elementor, I'll show you where you can type in that webhook URL. Okay, now that we are on WordPress, if you click on the form, you'll be able to add it. And here in your left dashboard, and here on actions after submit, so here you're going to choose what happens after a form submission. And I've added webhook here, and this is where I paste the URL. And after that, here you're going to see all the fields available, and you can map each field against your CRM fields. And then at the end, you can just test it, and it should work just fine. So For today, that's it. Hope you like this video, and don't forget to click on subscribe. Don't forget to share this video, comment on it, and don't forget to click on the notification so you're notified every time a new video comes up. And that's it. Thank you.